Hey everybody, it is Lori Farron and I am back in my kitchen today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make some easy, healthy oatmeal blueberry muffins. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's great for a grab and go snack or a quick breakfast in the morning. So you're only going to need a few ingredients. I'm going to go over them first and then I'm going to show you how to make it. So the first thing you're going to need is some oats. So what I've done here is I've pre-made oat flour. All I've done is I've taken the 2 cups of oats required and I've put them in my blender and blended them so they're all ready to go. So I'm going to start with that. That's 2 cups of blended oats. Then the next thing that you're going to need is a cup of milk. So what I'm going to do with this recipe is I'm going to add everything to one bowl. I like to keep things quick, simple, and easy. So the next thing you need is a cup of milk. And we're going to add that in here and stir that around with the oats here. And then for our sweetener, instead of using a sugar, like a natural sugar, we're going to use an agave sugar. So a little bit different, or sorry, an agave sweetener, a little bit different, but just as delicious. So this here is the agave sweetener, and we're going to use a 1/4 cup of this here. And this is a great alternative to traditional white sugars because it is very natural and it is definitely lower in the glycemic index, so it won't spike your blood sugars as much. So we're going to add that in. That's going to be our natural sweetener. Then we're going to add in 2 egg whites. So I've bought a thing of egg whites pre-ready to go here. And I'm going to add in 2 egg whites, which is about a 1/4 cup there, for a little protein. Then we're going to move on down and we're going to add in a tablespoon of just plain olive oil. This here is olive oil extra light. So any olive oil will work here. So a tablespoon of that. And moving on down, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla to add a little sweetener to this. It sounds like a lot of ingredients, but trust me, it's probably things that you already have in your home. So we're going to add that. One of the things I don't like is I don't like going out and buying a bunch of random ingredients that I'm never going to use again. So this should all be stuff that you hopefully will have at home. Once we've done that, we're going to add in our baking powder, baking soda, and then our blueberries. And that's it. See how easy that is? That is it. So our baking powder here is just a teaspoon of our baking powder right here. Just a teaspoon of that, just so that it helps these rise here. And then the final ingredient is just a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is usually something that we all have in our fridge. So I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon here, whoops, as it's falling out, just like that. And then we're going to mix this around, get it so it's all mixed together. And the final ingredient that you're going to need in this is just a cup of blueberries. So I have some blueberries here. They are in season, which is nice. I'm going to add them in here. And that's your mixture, just like that. So once we've done that, I have a pan that's ready to go. I have sprayed it so it doesn't stick. I've got my oven on for 400 degrees and we're going to cook these for about 25 minutes. So once I'm done, I'm going to scoop these in here just like this. Oh, these are going to be good. And these are going to take, like I said, about 25 minutes to make. And these are going to make about 12 muffins. So each muffin here has about 150 calories. So they're actually quite lean and healthy. And that's it. And then you're just going to bake them. So just like that, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and I will post the links to this on my website. Thank you.